guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Jesus Global Consult YouTube channel. So guys, for those meeting me for the first time, my name is Richard Ojukwu. So in this channel guys, I'll be giving you guys the best ways to navigate through problems and issues, especially in your payment receiving platforms such as PayPal, Payoneer, Stripe. These are what we discuss in this particular channel to give you an easy way to navigate through any problems or issue you have. And in this particular video, I'll be teaching you guys on how you can be able to start using your Shopify account to receive PayPal payments from anywhere you are. I believe most of us really understand that Shopify gives a payment platform for each country on how to start receiving their payment. So in this video guys, I'll be teaching you how you can use PayPal how you can integrate PayPal to your Shopify account, no matter where you are, no matter your location, no matter the country you are. So guys, if this is what you want to learn how it is being done, stick to the end of this video and do not forget to please like and subscribe. To the video. For those that are meeting me for the first time, as I already said, my name is Richard. So in this particular channel guys, we give you guys the criteria on the simple things you need to do in order to avoid having issues with any payment platform such as PayPal, Stripe and the rest. And in this particular video, I believe it's going to be an informative one, especially for those less privileged countries that are not benefiting from Shopify because their payment platform is not accepted. Meanwhile, this is what I want to discuss in this particular video. So guys, if you are that type of person that you notice that you create an account but you find out that the payment ways in way to receive payments from Shopify, that the options that is given to you, you don't have them. Meanwhile, this is what I have to discuss in this video to teach you what you can do to navigate through those issues, on how you can settle any issues that regards payment receiver from Shopify. First, start by introducing what is Shopify. For those of us that are not familiar with it, Shopify is more or less like an e-commerce brand that helps every e-commerce, every seller, any online sellers to host their website online for you to start selling and making sales without you going ahead creating a website. A done for you platform that you can just do is to link in your domain name and start using them to make sales from anywhere you are. So that is just the simple function of Shopify. So guys, as for PayPal, I believe PayPal is a rampant organization and most of us are already aware. So what I want you guys to understand is that I'm going to give you guys a simple way to create a PayPal account that you can use to link to Shopify and start receiving your payments no matter where you are without the fear of being restricted. So first of all, I'll need to navigate you guys from my platform, from my own personal account, on how I did it and how I succeeded in linking my PayPal account. So guys, here I'm now in my Shopify dashboard, which I need you guys to really understand something in particular, that this video is actually going to be teaching you how I did in order to have a PayPal payment option on my Shopify account. So as you can see, for you to confirm what I mean, you can see this account has been linked with my PayPal account and also my Flutterwave account, which means anyone can pay me using PayPal and can also pay me using Flutterwave. This is how I manually did this. So actually I'll be teaching you what you need to do in order to get this done. And first of all, you can see if I create here that I want any payment platform, any payment option, you notice that if I'm creating an account that my business is in Nigeria or probably in any African countries, PayPal will never appear as a payment option. This is just how it is because Shopify are very country specific. As you can see, most of these payments is not accepted in the country which I choose. As you can see, unavailable in your country. This is how it is. And PayPal is mostly what is being used in receiving any international payment from any client or from any customer. So this is what I'll be teaching you guys in how you can be able to navigate through this. Meanwhile guys, I will need to explain some things which I need you guys to really understand before we go through this video. First of all, I believe you guys understand that Shopify is a good brand, and another thing there is they are also country and regional specific in terms of payment method that is being provided in every particular region. For instance, in Nigeria, we are not being provided with PayPal payment option, which is what I think I have to teach you guys on how you can navigate through this problem, or what you need to do in order to have a PayPal account that you can use to start receiving your payment on your Shopify account, so that your account can also look legit, because PayPal is more or less like a trustworthy platform that whenever a PayPal account is PayPal platform is being recognized in your account, or payment method is recognized in your account, it's more or less going to build more trust for your customer to patronize you, especially the international bodies. So meanwhile, I'll be giving you guys an easy way to navigate through this process. And if you really want to learn how you can be able to create a PayPal account, or you want us to create an official, registered and verified business PayPal account for you, I'll be dropping a link in my description below, which you can just go ahead, contact us to get your account verified and get it fully registered. This is what we are going to be doing for you guys, an easy way to easily document and register your business PayPal account, because the usefulness of PayPal, because it's going to help you receiving your payments seamlessly without any issues. And meanwhile, I need you guys to understand something in particular. Having a PayPal payment option on your website is actually going to give your website a legit trust, because many customers, especially the international bodies, love paying with PayPal. So you can never emphasize what this platform is going to do for you. Me and my team, we're actually going to be helping you guys in solving these particular issues of PayPal not activated in your country. Meanwhile, I believe most of us really suffer this as an issue, because you find out that your country is not supported by PayPal, and you find out whenever you create an account, your account gets limited within short time. That is just an issue and a problem, and this is why we are here to help you solve these particular issues. Meanwhile, all I just need you to do in order to get an activated PayPal account that you can use from your country without the fear of getting limited or getting banned, just go onto the description below, contact us below that you need an account that is fully verified. You get the account done for you, though it's going to cost you some token, which you just have to pay and get it for a lifetime. This is just how easy it is to get an official business PayPal account fully verified, because we are going to be getting all the documentation required to get this account on a stable base that you can use your business account from anywhere you are. So this is just by the way. So guys, actually, as I said in this particular video, I'll be giving you guys and navigating you guys the process you need to do if you find out that PayPal option is not provided in your country. First of all, I'll be going through my video in my own account to show you how I did mine in order to stabilize my PayPal account to start using it to receive payments. So as I've said, you need to create an Shopify account stating that you are in Nigeria or probably from your own African country, and you find out that PayPal is not provided as a payment option. Do that is not an issue. We'll be giving you guys on how you can be able to navigate through this. So in order to stick to this video, make sure that you please click, and if you are finding value in this video, click to like, and also please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you get all the information that we are going to be sharing on this channel back to back. So guys, see you in the video, and please watch out. So guys, actually I'll be teaching you guys what I did in order to get this PayPal option appearing as a payment option for me in my Shopify account. First of all, you just have to go into our store settings and you click on store settings. So from there you can easily do this. Initially, when I created this account that my business is from Nigeria, and I run business in Nigeria. And when I was doing that, the only option provided to me was just Flutterwave, which is why I thought I really need a PayPal account, so that I can easily use this PayPal to start receiving payment from international body, because PayPal is mostly what is used in receiving any international payment. So that is why I created the PayPal account, which I'm saying I can also teach you guys. Those that help me creating mine can also help you guys. All you just need to do is to click on the link on the description below to get your own account fully registered and verified, that you can start using it to start receiving international payments. So meanwhile, after I got an account verified and registered, the next thing I did was to go onto my store settings, which is what I did. And when I go onto my store settings, I go ahead and click on store details. As you can see, my store details shows that my account is in Serbia, which is just the easiest means, because PayPal is supported in Serbian, which is not going to give any issues. So you can use any supported countries that accept PayPal to change your store settings. But I will advise, before you go ahead and do that, make sure that you've already created an account, not on the creation process. Please, whenever your account is successfully created, you can use your local and your normal country to create this account, and later on you can change it to a country that is supporting PayPal in order to link a PayPal payment option to your Shopify account. This is how easy I navigate through these issues. And again, some issues some of you guys used to make is going ahead to choose the third trade world country such as US, UK as your store details or store address. I would advise you not try that, because whenever you create an account residing that you are in US and you don't have a TIN number to verify your claims, it's more or less you are giving your Shopify a hint to get limited or get banned, because this is what you are going to be suffering from. Whenever payment is being received, you can either your money is going to get stuck because you have not yet verified the location of your business. So this is why we advise you go for an easy country that you can easily use to have payment option for your business. So this is just what I did. All I did was to change my payments, my store address and store country to have payment option as PayPal. For this, I will show you guys how it appears whenever anyone wants to make payment or wants to pay me in my Shopify account. So let me go on to my store so you see what I mean by what I was saying. So as you can see, I now have different payment options. You can see anyone that sees my website and wants to make payments can easily either use PayPal or use any payment option provided in this website. So what I did was, let me go on to checkout so you see what I mean. So I'm now in my checkout space. So you can see express checkout PayPal, meaning I can receive any payment using PayPal, and anybody that doesn't have PayPal can also make payment using Flutterwave. This is how sweet and easy it is. And once all this is being provided, your account, your Shopify account can be receiving payment from anywhere without any limitation or restriction. So guys, this is just what I want to share with you guys in this particular video, and I believe you've gotten the value for what I just discussed on how the secret that what I did in order to have PayPal payment option on my account. Please do well to please click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative and vital content just as this. So guys, see you in the next video and bye for now.